Lubrication system ng main air compressor sa barko. Paano nga ba ito dumadaloy at nagpa-function sa system? Tara! But before that, please don't forget to like and share our page, Seaman's Life by Chief Zoro, for more videos. Salamat! Starting from lobe oil crankcase, kung saan nakastore ang oil na gagamitin for lubrication. Dadaan ito ng strainer or tinatawag din na oil screen or oil mist para salain ang dumi sa langis. At sasaksyonin naman ito ng lubrication pump to create the necessary pressure and to deliver into the system of the main air compressor. Take note mga idol, the lubricating pump will only function when the compressor is running. Sa kadahilanan na ito ay walang sariling motor at nakatouch lamang ito sa compressor. And from the compressor lubricating pump, didiretso naman ito sa high pressure suction valve and high pressure delivery valve ng second stage compression to lubricate the valves. And some of the oil ay dideliver naman ito sa cylinder liner for lubrication of the liner, piston, and the piston rings in order to protect the moving parts from wear and tear. Take note mga idol, yung langis na naglo-lubricate sa mga parts na nabanggit natin ay hindi na bumabalik sa system ng main air compressor. Kaya dapat bilang isang engineer and watchkeeper, mahalaga na lagi nating minomonitor ang level ng langis ng compressor. Dahil sa tuwing tumatakbo ito ay may nawawalang langis sa system. And some of the oil also will pass through the oil filter for further filtration. And then from oil filter, some will go to the pressure gauge para mamonitor natin ang pressure ng oil. And some will go to the oil pressure sensor in case the oil will drop its pressure. The sensor will be activated to send an alarm and will stop the compressor motor. And some of the oil naman ay babalik sa system and will be circulated again in the system. So that's all for today's video mga idol. Hope you learned something and please like and share for more videos. Seaman's Life by Chief Zoro. Bye bye!